I haven't heard from them since. But if I had to guess, I'm thinking there might be some what do you call it? A I don't know. Like the person is related to the cast director or whatever. What is that called? Um, I can think of half of it. Baby something. Nepo Baby. There we go. Just popped into my head. Nepo Baby. Could not think of that. But, I also don't like using the phrase Nepo Baby all the time because, you know, I think some people, they might get like a head, but some people have some talent too. I don't think it's always nepotism. But then again, about that voice actor, I don't know if nepotism had anything to do with it. But it had this really cool, that anime had a really awesome moment in it. This dude is giving his villain speech, and this one girl just takes out a knife and sorry. I probably shouldn't talk about that anime while playing Animal Crossing. I could be wrong, but I think this bunch here gives the most. Not really, I guess. I used to think those gave a bunch of wee